Good morning, everybody. What up? This is me, Omar Brown. How you people been? Today, I got another unboxing for you guys. So today, I'm gonna be unboxing my favorite game DVD player, as you guys can see right there. You know what? Let's get this going. Please make sure to like this video and let's roll. I think, guys, here's the DVD player. It's blue. It's all blue. The color is blue. So you guys can see right there. You know, this DVD player is so good. And you guys can see right there. You know, this DVD player is so good and it's so blue looking. Let's get to the unboxing today. So you guys could see it's a video player right here, and here is right here a video player and move on. And we do got something in the box, so let's open this. See, today let's see, and let's take it out. Here it is. Let me just take it out for something. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. So here's this white box, and now let me open this. And here it is. Here it is right here. Let's see here. There's nothing. All we do got this plug right here. Here it is. Right here. Here's a plug. Here's a plug. Right here. Right here. And let's put this down. Move on. We do got something. Here's the remote. Here's the remote thing. To press this. Here it is. Then let's put this down. This here is. Here's the USB. Move on. And here's the thing to plug it. Not plug it. Here it is. Right here. This plug. Right here. And let's put this down. There's nothing else in the box, so let's put this down. Move on. Last but not least, there's nothing else in the box, so let's put this down. Let's just move on. Here's the remote control. Here's the remote control right here. Remote control. So let's put this down. And we do got the blue. Last but not least, we do got the blue. Before I get to that, here's some instructions. Here is these two papers. Here's some two papers. Here it is. So I can't use it because it's not like this one. And here's a DVD player right here. Damn it. And here's right here. Here it is. This instructions. 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 Right here. Here's the back. There is nothing. So we're gonna put this down. Last but not least, we do got the blue. Here's a blue machine. The blue DVD player. Last but not least. Woo! Look at this. This DVD player. Alright, then here it is. And it does say power right here. Right here is the power. It's the power right here. The power right here. And we do got something else. We do got something else. And when I open this, see, this is good. See the buttons, and also this, and you press these buttons. And here's the thing to put the disc in. It's so cool. This DVD player is so cool. So yeah. So do you have it? Let me end this video. So do you have it? Just a quick video for you guys. Please make sure to like this video because it gives me $1. You know, a DVD player is so good. If you guys like it, dislike it, let me know. So do you have it? Just a quick video for you guys. Please make sure to like this video because it gives me $1. I love you guys. I see you guys Sunday. Holla at your boy.